Can you do me a favor?
Probably, yeah. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
All right.
You might want to hurry. I heard dog guys are sending reinforcements. You should probably be gone before they get here.
Hey, you want ice cream?
買一送一，前所未有咁着數啊！我買電話，半價，買晒就冇。
快啲埋嚟睇下。
抵到保證揾到。
Can you do me a favor?
Probably, yeah. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
All right.
You might want to hurry. I heard dog guys are sending reinforcements. You should probably be gone before they get here.
Hey, big man, you want some new clothes?
Hey, veggies! You want veggies?
You want movies? You want music? You want games? I got everything, man.
Noodles. Why don't you let me dress you?
See the new guy around?
我覺得你搞錯咗。
個禮拜。
打電話啦，唔係等佢部手撳啊！打佢撚嘅仆
This is for Susan's lunch.
Thanks.
Deal? Are you shitting me? So what'd you do?
Nothing. 真係乜都冇咧。I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major, but without you knowing, you know?
So get this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out for him while he did business. Special K mostly, but other stuff too. I thought, why not? Take a nice little cut for my boys, no problem. But this week, I sent Jackie here to pick up the envelope, and he tells my boy to fuck off. Apparently, he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck ourselves.
You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes?
That Garton is gonna get what's coming in. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
No，唔好要我講第二次啊！我唔好啊！
快啲啦，我哋已經遲晒啦。
挑戰緊我嘅耐性喎，我食就多過你食米啦。我知我係啱嘅。
我話你知啊，你唔好再用啲咁嘅語同我講嘢啊！你死埋一邊啦！廢話，你做啊，邊人聽啊？做咁多嘢先得咁得喎，真係死啊！我冇成日俾你咁氣
show you around.
I'm looking for Ming. You know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner.
Hey, sexy man, you want...
You make it up for me tonight, and we got a deal.
嚇？我真係要咁做？
Ming, I got a message for you.
Stop!
You didn't pay Winston, asshole.
Fuck you!
Hey, man, what's the big deal?
Coming through.
Oh, shit!
Guys, I need your help! Get him! He needs to be killed! Leave me alone, you fuck! It's one of Winston's guys! Take him out! You little toe higher for the fuck you up! You fucking with the wrong crowd! Fucking kill him, please! Kill you! Stop, take a book! Dog guy's gonna kill you!
Fuck dog eyes. Winston owns this area. You fuck with us, and you'll regret it.
Okay, okay, but please, make sure Dog Eyes doesn't kill me.
Ah, fuck.
Hey, watch it.
Wei Sheng, I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun On Yi. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concern's really moving. I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never dropped out of art school. I could have made it. I could have been a real somebody. Thank you for showing me the light, officer.
I want to give you a chance, Shen, but you have to work with me. Then maybe I can cut you a deal. Oh, Superintendent, I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, sir.
As your superior officer, I'm instructing you to release this man.
But, sir, I have it on record that he's Sun On Yi.
I understand that.
I can't simply just cut him loose. I mean, you're asking me to release a criminal with known connections to the Triad, and not only is it against
For
protocol,
God's sake, Tang, he's one of us.
What?
Jesus, Pendrew, let me get the door. There are a few badges outside who didn't hear you.
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
Trust her? I just met her.
Congratulations, Tang, so now you know. Maybe now we can make sure that we're helping Wei, not making his job harder than it already is,
Yeah, it doesn't seem like I have much of a choice.
No, you don't. Now see yourself out.
Permission to speak freely.
Denied. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful. I can't bail you out like this again.
Sir,
I don't want to hear it. Just be careful.
American gangs, the Asian ones, don't compare to the Triads.
I don't like this cocky little fucker.
You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful.
What? How much? No, I'm not paying that.
Always the same. The big feud, you twist the other, then the new feud starts.
Hey, what can I do for you?
Love hobbies? Flying Horse Hobbies have it all. Check out all the latest kits, plus a massive range of accessories, including engine parts, adhesives, tools, fuels, and rotor blades. Get on the Flying Horse Hobbies mailing list now!
What do you think of dried seahorse? What's it do? Supposed to make your man stay hard for 3 hours.
Wait, you okay, man? You look like someone took a shit on your face.
Jackie, I'm just a little frustrated, stuck being Winston's errand boy. I was making serious bank back in the States.
Come on, we're just paying our dues. Winston's a loyal guy. He'll hook us up when the time's right.
You can't always wait for the world to hand you what you want. Sometimes you gotta just take it.
Totally, man.
It's time to take a little initiative. We gotta prove ourselves to Winston and the Sun On Yi, or we'll never move up. Is there anything going down in the next few days?
Shit, yeah, there is. Dog Eyes has a big shipment of stolen goods coming in.
Well, it's good for Dog Eyes, but that might be too much too fast. Last thing I need right now is taking a sticky red pole up my ass.
It's not like that. It's a small deal. Word is there's only a few low-level London looking after it. We boost that shit and give Winston a nice fat cut, he's gonna be mad impressed. No way he doesn't promote us after that.
You'd have to be certain it couldn't be traced back to Winston. Or us.
Sure, of course. They're never gonna know it was us. Unless we get caught.
Well, we won't unless you fuck it up. Come on, get in.
Time to move up in the world.
Where'd you get the van?
My uncle's a chop shop around the corner. Call it a pre-stolen ride. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a steady girlfriend.
Oh, yeah?
What do you think it's you, May?
You're not worried that she doesn't want to talk to you?
Hell no. Whoa! What about you? You ever think of finding somebody?
A relationship. Wouldn't really work with my life right now.
Ah! Oh, shit! Sure it could. Look at me.
You
Put on his mask. Can't let Dog Eyes boys know it was us. There should only be a few guards.
keep the engine running.
Wait! Don't...
Come and get me!
俾唔你死賊！依攞位未啊？嚟啦，牙尖嘴！我懟冧佢！
Oh yeah, get him! Get him, that's right!
There's more of them!
我哋要殺晒佢哋！斬
啊！
開隻把！俾啲力！我哋可以做個好啲嘅！大個撚樣！ Like that, huh? How you like that? 放低佢啦！ 爆唔爆？
Hardcore! You beat these guys like it was nothing! Watch should be in the warehouse, man. Shit! They're taking off with the goods! Go, 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 man! go get the watches. Wait, we got him. Damn, that was crazy, man. We did it. Holy shit, we did it. Check it out. It's raining Cambria.
That was our big boost? A shipment of cheap watches?
What? What do you mean cheap?
Jackie, he's a fake as fuck.
Holy shit, Tylo, the cops drive. Wait, drive. Oh, shit.
I think that's it.
Yeah, they're gone. We're clear, man. No wonder there's so many criminals in this town. These cops suck.
What do you think will happen with Dog Eyes?
I don't know. He's an asshole, poor guy. But he has friends in high places.
He's a piece of shit. So where's this guy we're meeting?
Don't worry. I'll take you from here.
You sure you don't want me to stick around?
No, man, I got it under control. Sonora.
All right, your deal.
Hey, wait! You did good out there. Here, take this watch. You earned it.
Right, I finally hit the big time.